that I had on the market a few months ago that was listed at $335. We had a full price offer. The appraisal came in at $300,000. We were in the middle of going back with the appraiser, showing him where the value was at that $335,000. While we were in the process of waiting for that, what happened was that the lender for the buyer came back and said, if you don't close at $300,000 on Monday, then the buyer is going to be denied on their loan because it's taken too much time. We're going to have to start all over. So we were not going to accept the $300,000. And another big tip, that when you are getting a loan and you are buying a house, that you want to make sure that that appraisal is ordered as soon as possible, because the longer that we have to fight that thing, we have to have time to do that. And there's too many lenders that want to wait to get the appraisal, and that's just not good news for anybody, because then we can't figure out how we're going to resolve the problem. So anyway, we said, I'm sorry, but we're not going to sell that house for $300,000. We had 10 offers that were all at $335,000. So if we had 10 people that wanted to get it at $335,000, it didn't make sense to sell it for $300,000. So what we did is we put it on the market. Within 3 days, I had 14 offers, and they were all at asking price and above. And we did have a cash offer that was right at that price as well. And so we went ahead and we took a cash offer. We closed it at $335,000, and the story. It was all done. So that was one of them that we did, not close with our first buyer, which doesn't happen very often. But it really didn't make sense, for the seller to take that $35,000 pay cut or cut in the value, because that's what the appraiser said.